Hacker007 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the anger test on TikTok. So you would simply do this by going to your browser and search IDR Labs and click on the first link. So here we have a few tests which we could take. So click on take tests, and then what you'd want to do is to actually scroll down until you find anger test. Now this is the one that is currently trending. So you click on anger test, and I'll put a link in the description for this particular test. Okay, so after the anger test has loaded, as you can see here, the multidimensional anger test. Now this is testing your susceptibility to anger. So it is based on the work of Dr. Judith M. Siegel, and this actually works. So here is what you'd see. So you'd get 38 questions to answer, and you'd select the options here. So it ranges from red, fingers pointing, double fingers pointing down, to green, double fingers pointing up, and you'd simply answer the series of questions as approximate as possible in order to get your rating. So I'm going to simply just click through and run through the responses to show you what it will look like in the end. Okay, so after you've completed all the 38 questions, as you can see here, these are the results. You'd simply need to take a screenshot of this, and this will be used in the editing process of the TikTok video. So as you can see here, they gave you a summary of whatever is happening, and you have further explanation down here if you're interested in reading all about that. So that is basically the steps which you'd be required to take in order to do this trend. And the audio, you could find this on TikTok from any one of these trends. You could simply download and reuse the audio in your own trend. So this is my screenshot, and you'd import this in any video editor and simply add the music. So I hope this was helpful in getting you to do the anger test. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to stay up to date to all the latest TikTok trends. Hacker007 out.